Hey everybody. Today we're going to do identifying parts of an angle, or otherwise known as angle vocabulary. So the first thing we're going to do is the vertex of an angle, and the vertex would be where your two sides or your two rays come together. So that vertex is the point Y. All right. And then as I just said, the two sides are rays. Now, they call them arms, we call them sides. It's the same thing. So one ray or one side would be Y to X. So Y to X, and I have to make the ray symbol. And the other side would be Y to Z, and I have to make that ray symbol. So notice how I have where the beginning point would be on the Y because it's going to the left for the first arm or side and going to like south, let's say, for the second part. All right. How can I name something that they don't have in there? How can I name this angle? Well, I've got three ways. I can name it just by the vertex. So I can call it angle, and there's the symbol for angle, Y. Or I could call it by the three letters. So the Y always has to be in the middle. So I could start at the X and say it's angle XYZ. So angle XYZ. Or I could go the other way, ZYX. But I have to have the angle symbol in there, Z to Y to X. All right, let's skip over to this right angle. The vertex would be B, point B, where the two rays come together. And then the sides would be the ray B to A, capital letters, and then my beginning point on the B, my arrow on the A, and then B to C is the other ray. So B to C. I want that to look like an arrow. All right, and then how am I going to name that angle? Well, the easiest way is to name it by the vertex, which is angle B, or I can name it by all three letters, which sometimes we're going to have to do when we have more than one angle together. So I can call it angle ABC, or I could call it angle CBA, but the vertex has to be in the middle. All right, let's do one more. We'll do this one down here in the middle. So the vertex is E. The sides would be ray EF. So ray symbol EF. And the other side, ray ED. So ray ED. How am I going to name that angle? The easiest way is by the vertex, so angle E. Or I could call it angle DEF. Or I could call it angle FED. And that's basically it for our lesson. We'll go to the IXL.